So picking up where I left off with wall.e, today what I want to do is add some more sound effects to the soundboard. In my project here, I've got the ones that were already included from Easy Robot, but I want to add a few more. So what I have found is I found a soundboard by searching the internet for wall.e soundboards, and I found this one. And while I do have kind of an option to download some of these sound files, they're a little annoying to go through the whole download process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the ones that I want, because some of these are different. Like this one says wall.e 2, but if we listen to it, wall.e, it's actually Eva. So I've listened to these and I found the ones that I want to record, and the way I'm going to record it is I'm going to use Audacity. It's a free program. You can download this, you can search for it and download it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it to record, and then I'm going to play the audio tracks that I want, and it will record from my speakers. So what I'm doing is I'm playing it out of my speakers, and then I have it set to record from my Yeti microphone. So I have a, I'm not going to say that the Yeti is like the highest quality microphone out there, but it's pretty good quality. It's a USB based microphone, and it's a pretty sizable microphone. And if you're interested, this is what the Blue Yeti microphone would look like. It'll say blue on it, not that it has anything to do with the color blue, but that's the name of it. And this is a bundle package from Amazon. They have different ones if you search from Amazon. There's other retailers that sell it. It's the microphone I've been using for quite a while. I use it for my speech recognition and other things. I really like this microphone. You don't have to get it in a bundle package. I didn't get mine that way. I just bought mine just by itself. But it's a really sturdy microphone, and I think it's really good quality. But that's the microphone I'm using. So what I'm going to do is I'll play these, and I will set this to record here.
Wall.e.
Too much garbage in your face? There's plenty of space out in space. B&L Starliners leaving each day. We'll clean up the mess while you're away.
Wall.e.
'Arrest that robot!
20 seconds to self-destruct.
Directive. Eva.
You look gorgeous. You are now free to move about the cabin. 10 seconds to self-destruct.
When you're finished recording everything, then you want to go back to your file and stop it. So now what you can do is you can save this for one if you want to, or you can go and start pulling out sound files out of here. So this is fairly lengthy, as we can see, but we'll go back to the beginning and you can see the wave transformation, so you can kind of see where you've got your sound clips at. So if you're not used to working within, move this up a little bit. If you're not used to working within Audacity, the way that it will work is if you have this tool selected, the selection tool, then you'll be able to select a part of your file, and then once it's selected, then you can do things to it. You can manipulate it, or you can play just that part of the file, which is what we'll do now. So I like the sound of that. I don't remember what this sound is. It's kind of a weird beep. Well, let's save that weird beep. Let's export the section. And if we want to save it as an MP3 file, we can do that. But natively, Audacity doesn't include anything to support the MP3 file extensions. So when you go to do that for the first time, it'll give you a pop-up that tells you need to go to this external site and download a third-party driver in order to support the MP3 files as a savable file output. And all you have to do is just follow the directions that they give you and do the third-party download and install it, and then you'll be ready to go. It's pretty simple. I've already done that, so I can save this as an MP3, or we'll stick with the WAV file, which is what we already have going. So we're going to call this beep. Let me go back and look at my files. Yeah. So we're going to just call this one beep. Save that. And I'm just going to click OK. And then this one, play this again. So I like the way he says that. Export the selection to a WAV file. wall.e. Okay. Then we'll move down. We'll see what is this sound here.
Too much garbage in your face? There's plenty of space out in space. B&L Starliners leaving each day. We'll clean up the mess while you're away.
So that's an interesting one. Call this too much garbage. Too much garbage. So we already have a kiss sound file, and we already have a different one where he's saying his name. So this is Wall.e. I'll call it Wall.e Kiss. Save. Okay. Now this. Let's play this whole section together. Ta-da! I think we have ta-da, don't we? Yeah, we have ta-da. So I don't really need that, but I do like the mechanical sounds. So we'll call this one mechanical sounds. Mechanical sounds. I don't need another ta-da.
Arrest that robot! Arrest that robot!
I think I want to break this up.
Arrest that robot!
So this is arrest that robot. And then this is like an eek sound.
Seconds to self-destruct. 20 seconds to self-destruct.
Let's call this one "20 seconds self-destruct." These are little clicks. So that's when I clicked on the sound file. Okay, that's what those beeps are. Don't want that.
Directive. Directive.
That's Eva. I don't think I want her.
Eva.
I want that. I don't think we have Wall.e saying that. So let's export the section. Eva. Save.
You look gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Well, let's go ahead and export that. You look gorgeous. G-O-R-G. Okay.
You are now free to move about the cabin.
Move about the cabin.
For 10 seconds to self-destruct.
10 seconds to self-destruct. Then this is the long space of background noise, music. So how do we break that up, right? You start playing it and then kind of break it up where it seems like it should be. Let's see. Alright, so it stops right here. That sounds pretty decent. Let's see. Fun music 1. We'll just call this fun music. Okay. This is like dramatic. So export the selection. Dramatic. Dramatic music. So you get the idea. That's what we'll be doing. Breaking all these up into files. And then I can upload them into here. So I did go ahead and finish up the sound file exporting. Just went ahead and skipped ahead to keep this video a little shorter because you were kind of getting the idea there. What I did is I put, this is under my Easy Builder project files. These are all the sound files out of the wall.e builder file here. So we've got the music and all the sound files. If we play them, you know, we can hear what the sounds are. And then these are the new sound files that I created today. So I think some of these will be cute, and then this one is wall.e with the kiss sound effect already. So I think these will be fun to add to the soundboard. So let's add a new one. My projects, wall.e, sound file. Let's do the, what's it, playful music? Is that the one? Yeah, that's the one I was liking. Definitely want the playful music. So we'll open that one. Let's see. Not the beep sound. What else do we have already? Okay, so that's a different beep. Yeah. I like the beeps. Let's see. I think this would be cute to add. Let's see what else. Where he says Eva, that would be cute. Let's see what else does he need. His little fun march. He needs that. What else does he need? Have the other one, because I think so there's that one. Let's see, what's the other one sound like? Yeah, a little different. Okay. Do the wall.e kiss. I think the mechanical sounds. think the too much garbage announcement would be good. What about some of the music that I recorded? Let's see here. Slow music. Playful music, fun music. We have fun march, playful music, but not fun music. We have fun march. Let's add fun music. Okay. Did we add eek? Let's see. Eva, no, not the eek. Let's add that. Eek. We have at last. I think arrest that robot. How did that turn out?
Arrest that robot.
Meh, maybe. Let's see. I like 2 and 3 the best, so let's do dramatic music 2 and dramatic music 3. All right, and let's save that. We're done. That should be it. That's all for today.